COVID-19, a pandemic that caused lockdowns worldwide, preventing many from leaving their home. The effects of the lockdowns had a negative effect on the population's mental health. Nevertheless, research shows that nature has a positive influence on one's mental health and mood, even when experienced through television or a virtual experience from a screen. This led us to exploring the initial problem statement: how can mood be affected and measured in a virtual experience? We decided on creating a virtual experience, with a focus on deepening the research by exploring how various soundscapes have an effect on mood. The various soundscapes that the project decided on were counterparts, with one mimicking a natural and less anthropogenic soundscape, while the other included loud noises and anthropogenic elements such as cars or people talking in a busy restaurant. The virtual environment visually resembles the Italian beach La Monachil. Our research led to the final problem statement of the project, which was: to what extent will the manipulation of soundscape in a nature-based virtual experience improve the mood of the user? We implemented the environment in Unity, using various 3D assets from the Unity Asset Store. Fmod Studio was used for audio manipulation, using effects like chorus, fader, and multiband equalizer. Following the implementation, we formulated our null and alternative hypothesis. The evaluatory framework of the experiment consisted of a large-scale self-report tool called Painest, which was decided on to get an overview of the mood of the participants in our experiments. The results of the experiments were rather inconclusive, not proving any significant links between the soundscape of an environment and the effects on a person's mood. Results from the nature soundscape group showed a change in their positive effect through a mean of -4.13 and a negative effect mean of -1.6 when comparing the Painest reports before and after engaging in the experience. The urban soundscape control group, when compared, showed a difference in the mean of their positive effect tallying to -2.13 and the mean of the negative effect being -1.2. And for an independent sample t-test, as well as a man with new test, we could not reject a null hypothesis, which meant we found no significant improvement. Through evaluation, we found a lot of problems while testing. Had we spent more time testing and developing our applications, many of the problems could have been avoided. A re-evaluation of using Painest as a mood evaluation tool is also a possibility, and it seems more problematic to use as many of the test participants had issues with the different emotions. There were many factors to consider, but in the end we could conclude that the manipulation of a soundscape in a nature-based VR experience did not really improve the mood of a user.